Greetings from Söderbysjön on this sunny day and this spontaneous nude beach spot in the Nacka Nature Reserve. It is currently around 18 degrees Celsius in the air, but it's also a bit windy. And I'm here for a quick dip in the beautiful lake of Söderbysjön and this wonderful nature all around that you can see. It is 6th of July and tonight it's the concert of the Cardigans, a famous Swedish band in Grenoble, and I'm heading over there as well. But now first it's time for a swim indeed. Yesterday in the afternoon it was raining a lot, so now it's nice to have a sunny day indeed. And I was passing by the public beach Söderbysjön Badplats, and there was a sign that says avrådan från bad, which means it's not recommended to bathe. Maybe they have measured some bacteria, but I will be going in anyway and will try to not to dip my head more than once in the lake indeed. Just look at how beautiful the nature is, and this amazing spot, perfect for a quick sunny dip indeed. So let's get going and go in for a swim in the lake while I show you more of this beautiful nature. And today is beach day number 83, is it? I have lost count, but you will see in the beginning or end of this video. And now it has been quite so many days since I was doing beach adventures in a row in Sweden, and it will continue to do so indeed. All right. Let's get it on with it. Amazing. Oh, yesterday I was swimming for 1 hour in Lake Flatten indeed. Today it will be just a short swim. What is going on with my hair? The wind is definitely having fun with it. Okay, so we are then ready, set, and go! Absolut. Yeah, there was one triathlete that is heading into the water, so now we are only 2 people in this contaminated lake indeed. So yeah, it's quite nice. I think I have drank some water also, which was probably not good, but we will try to keep not to dip on my head once again, as it is a recommendation not to swim. But the water looks clean to me, I don't see any issues, and it's so amazing indeed. You don't need to dip the head actually, and then you can just wash off the rest of the body quickly, and it's good enough. But yes, summer in full swing here in Stockholm, and Chris is ready then to enjoy a bit more here in on the lake. And with that said, it's time to wrap up this episode. Thank you so much for watching this episode from Söderbysjön and this spontaneous nude spot, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach adventures with Chris.